Get over me, you freak! Man, I hate these things. I hope they damn die. Man, I've killed them about 30 times, probably. I don't know how many times I've killed them. Why won't they die? Now it's spooky time. Boom, 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 boom. They're all dead. They're all. Ah, ah. Ah. When will this thing give up? Ah, 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 ah. Fine. Now, can I please run now?